In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weight to products in Shopify. Shopify Tutorial 2025. First, open your Shopify admin and head to your Products area. From the list, choose the product you want to update. This brings you into the Product Editor, where we'll make all the changes you need for accurate shipping. Scroll to the Shipping section of the product. This is where you'll manage the item's physical details for fulfillment. If you see a package profile or a sample box with dimensions, that's simply the default package reference. What matters for rates is the product's actual weight. Click into the weight field and type the product's weight exactly as it ships, including any packaging the customer receives. Next, choose the correct unit for your store. You can switch between pounds, ounces, kilograms, and grams. Pick the one that matches your carrier setup or your regional preference. If you're in the US, pounds and ounces are common. Many other regions use kilograms or grams. Don't worry if you need to toggle between units. Shopify will apply the unit you leave selected when you save. While you're here, take a moment to review the package reference if it's shown. Dimensions can help if you use carrier-calculated rates that consider both weight and size, though the most critical piece remains the product weight you just entered. Below that, you'll see compliance fields. Open country of origin and select the appropriate country for where the product was manufactured. This is especially important for international shipping and customs forms. If you're unsure, check with your supplier or manufacturer before finalizing. Next, click into Harmonize System HS code and add the correct classification for the product. This code helps customs authorities identify your item and calculate duties and taxes. If you don't know it, you can look up the code through official tariff databases or consult your logistics provider. Accurate HS codes reduce delays and unexpected charges for your customers. If your product comes in different versions, like sizes or colors, use the Add options like Size or Color button to define those variations. Enter an option name that makes sense for your product, then click Done. Variants let you set specific details per version later, including different weights if, for example, a large size weighs more than a small. When everything looks good, click Save at the top right to lock in your changes. That's it. You've updated the product weight, confirmed the unit, and added key shipping and customs details so your rates and labels come out correctly. Thanks for watching, and keep building with confidence.